Hello and good morning. We are still in Uganda, in our lodge where we did that gorilla trekking. It's early in the morning, it's still a little bit dark, and over there is already the morning madness. They are getting the car packed with all the luggage of the customers and preparing for the ride today, which will be a long one. It will be a long one to, I guess it's called Park Queen Elizabeth, something like that. I'm going to hear more at the briefing. I'm going quickly down and see what is going on there. Good morning, Justin.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, you?
Oh, I'm good.
Morning, good luck.
Morning,
How do you feel? Ready for the trip?
Ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to have a quick look at the road because it rained heavily yesterday and all the afternoon, and I suppose it's going to be a mud trail today. It looks like that, but yeah, we will manage somehow.
Ja, als ik die Wein und so gekauft habe, da hat er mir gesagt, oh, der stand die ganze Zeit als gefahren. Ich stand auf dem Stand. Ja. Passiert Just. Yeah, we came yesterday from here, across the border to Rhodesia. Now we continue our road here, and it's like 50% dirt road, 50% tarmac this way. We crossed the Queen Elizabeth Park. It's a very famous national park. I think it's one of the most visited parks in Uganda. And the Queen Elizabeth Park is famous for the tree climbing lions. Also Löwen, die in die Bäume klettern. Also it's
Going up the trees.
going up the trees, yeah. So very yeah. So we yeah.
To dig a hole.
Yeah. And then we will spend the night tonight in Dave the Cave Eco Lodge. It's also a lodge in the middle of the nature. It's not luxury, but it's a really beautiful place. So and there we will spend the night.
Now this is our start in the day, and it's a little bit chilly. We are on 2,300 meters altitude, and you can feel that it rained yesterday and a little bit during the night. But as long as it doesn't rain now, it's fine. It's a little bit muddy, but not too much. There are like some puddles of mud. Yeah, but nothing ugly. So we are starting the day, and again very curious what we are going to see. Wow, huh? Amazing landscape. When you come down the hill, like this morning, you can see it even better than when you go up. Look at these bikes, handmade. Watching the bike. Today is Sunday, so they have their white clothes on, going to church. Yeah, everybody in the best clothes they have. Nice, beautiful. Well, there are some antelopes or gnus, or I'm not sure. I don't know them, but they are quite close. Oh, there are more on the other side. Rather stampede. There they go. We've also seen already 2 buffaloes 5 minutes ago. Oh, will they cross the street? Yeah, you see? There they go. It's a lot. Look, one is standing there like waiting for the last ones, as we do, as the same we do with our motorcycle group. Funny. Look, there are the buffaloes. 2 big ones. Ooh, baboons. Ah, there's transport of buffalo and people, and also goats. See if I can have a closer look at this truck. So funny. Look, the goats hanging on the second store. Oh my God. Never seen that before. Nina, what are we doing here? Where are we going?
We're going on a boat trip.
What are we going to see? What do we hope to see?
Hippos, crocodiles.
And you can tell us, what will we see? Animals, crocodiles?
Hippos.
What do you want to see, Sigi?
Hippos and crocodiles, and I want to see us back, all of us.
And the sun.
The sun is here.
And the sunset.
The sunset,
Yeah. Stefan?
Hopefully no hungry crocodiles. So no tourists to go.
Team Switzerland? What do you want to see?
To see some hippos and some nice
smiling guys here on the boat.
Okay, yeah, we are.
I'm happy when I survive.
Yeah, you survived yesterday the gorilla
Yeah.
trekking, so you will survive today.
You're not gonna swim, you?
Hello.
I'm Bob,
Uh-huh.
guide for the boat cruise,
Okay.
and you're going to sail on Kazinga Channel.
Thank you so much. Oops.
How many tourists do you lose?
Losing?
Yeah.
We don't lose.
How many do you feed?
Feed to the crocodile.
Yes.
Don't dare put your arms in the water, then you'll survive. Touching water, you're on risk.
Okay.
Crocodiles, very dangerous.
Let's get some microphone.
Go very far. Guess we know where we are right now. We're on Kazinga Channel. Channel, brief information about this place, all this water body, joins 2 lakes. So this floating island, good hiding zone for the crocodiles because it is quiet, only a few less of only birds. When you go to the banks, there's interruption from the big animals. They disturb the sleep of the big crocodile. Yeah. Actually too. So many. Imagine falling there, you might think it's one hippo.
You have it like that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hippos.
So there are about, let me see, about 7 members. So these small groups of 15 to 20 members, that is baby boy making a new family. So hippos placing half of their body outside water is to balance temperature. Get a big group.
So they can run on the water. Oh, there's a big group.
Yeah.
Wow.
Das ist ein Film, ne? Das weiße Hippo oder so.
Running, they're running, hippo running, see?
2 hours are from us.
Oh, der ist schnell.
From us.
You see that?
Oh, yeah.
You see that? The coward.
Die anderen zwei, genau.
Yeah.
The other one is starting to chase. Now the
Gestation period, 8 months. Small head there,
Baby hippo.
baby hippo. Pink spotted, you see it? Submerging water. There's a pink spotted among these members on the
Yeah.
left.
Yeah,
Extreme end,
yeah.
group on the left. Extreme end on our right, pink spotted hippo. You see it? Look at this group of hippos on the left. Move your eyes on your right hand. The last hippo on the right. Nothing. Nothing.
The last hippo is what?
The hippos in the channel are estimated to be more than the hippos on Lake George or on Lake Edward. It's like a breeding zone. The water, the channel, the space in the channel and the access to the green vegetation attracts hippos to come in the channel, breed, to give birth to babies. So we have got so many hippos, about 20,000 hippos, apparently. Long ago, before 2006, in 2006 we got a very big disease, tough disease, anthrax disease.
What this is?
Anthrax,
Anthrax.
yeah, kills the hippos in a very short period. So it used to kill so many hippos then. That's why it caused the decline in the population. We used to have about 45,000 hippos.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Like this. When you run straight, you'll be caught by a hippo. You run a zigzag format because hippos, they don't have a neck. So they can't do a U-turn. You run straight. Option 2, run straight. Make a sharp corner on the left. Change direction. It won't make it to you. You have a chance to add more distance. But if you run straight, it's very tough and very dangerous because it can run a long distance on land, 30-35 kilometers per hour. And for longer years,
Wait,
it goes for 20, it goes for 60 to 100 years. And the reason is
our boat trip is over and it was beautiful. And now we quickly have to go to our lodge because it's almost sunset time and we have still 25 kilometers to go. Yes, we have arrived at our lodge here. It's called Dave the Cave, I guess. It's beautiful. It's with a lake. You can see the lake there. And yeah, it was really a fantastic day. We had so much to see, so many different things. We started in the jungle with the gorillas, rainforest, high altitude. Then we came down. We entered the national park Queen Elizabeth, which is like very dry. In the beginning we saw buffaloes, wild hogs, antelopes. Then we arrived at the river and we had time enough to take a boat, to make a boat tour, and that was just spectacular. We saw so many hippos, crocodiles, birds and eagles, sea eagles. It was fantastic. I've never seen so many hippos so close. I thought maybe we could see one or two, but there were dozens of hippos. It was really, really good. And now we arrived a little late, but still in time, before darkness. And yeah, now we will just relax, have our dinner, talk a little about what we saw today, and then go to bed early, I guess, because it was also a long day. But I would not have missed a minute. It was really, really a fantastic day. So yeah, if you liked it too, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I see you back next Saturday.